What's up everybody, welcome back to the Cargo Show. Today I'm showing you my complete camera setup. Finally yesterday the Joby Tripod SLR arrived. It's this thing right here. So the camera is complete. Let's get to a warmer place and I'll run you through the whole setup, including the GoPro I hold in my hand. Alright, so let me run you through the setup real quick. We changed the oil of the car while I was having coffee, and let me run you through the camera setup real quick. First, I chose this Joby SLR tripod, so this makes it a bit of a Casey Neistat setup with the tripod, the camera and the microphone. So I chose the SLR. It's meant for a bigger, up to 3 kilogram cameras, 6.6 pounds. But I chose it because it's a bit more sturdy. I could have gone with the Joby hybrid for this camera, since it's 770 grams, and the hybrid gets a load of up to a kilogram, but I think that was the better option. Camera is the Panasonic G85. Camera does video in 4K, but I film in 1080 because 4K crops a bit, and the lens is not wide angle enough for me. I need as much real estate as I can. So this is a 12-60 Panasonic kit lens that came with the camera. It's fantastic. And on top I had my old Rode VideoMic Go, which is you know, not the last generation microphones, but it works perfectly fine. On top I put that cat because it didn't come with it. That costed a little extra. The new ones now, like the Video Micro, they actually come with it and they're pretty good deal. So I'm actually gonna list all these 3 things in the description. If you guys like my setup and you wanna replicate it, you can go ahead and do that. And best part about the Lumix G85, the flip out screen, easy to film yourself. So next part of the setup is my GoPro and the Joby mount that is mounted on, and let's switch cameras real quick. So this right here would be the Hero 4 Black, which I've got as when I first started the channel. I also got this Joby mount that is also a suction cup, and I can put it everywhere. Like check these angles from the inside the car, like this one from the front, or like this one from the side, or why not from the passenger side window pointing at the dials, or this forward angle stuck straight on the sunroof. Also, there are a ton of angles that you can mount this GoPro on the other side. The only thing that I have useful is I bring this microfiber cloth so I can clean the spot, because if the spot that you take the suction cup is not clean, it's just gonna fall off. And you can also mount it anywhere on the outside of the car, like right over here on the window. I have mounted it right here. You can do an exhaust shot if you mount it right back there. Not on this car, definitely not. But there is a huge possibility if you want to film back. You just, as I said earlier, use the microfiber cloth. Just stick it and film the car behind you. Or you want to put it on the front, just stick it right here. And just like this, I can set it up to film the electronic star. So I'm filming the GoPro, filming the electronic star. Also, both the Panasonic camera and the GoPro film in 1080p 60 frames per second. That is my resolution of choice, because for YouTube you don't really need 4K, but the 60p frames per second is really good, because you can slow things down, not too much, but just to 50%, and have that nice buttery slow motion stuff like you've seen in some of my videos. That's it. I think that sums up the setup. As I said, we have the GoPro Hero 4 Black with the Joby mount. Joby is a great company for filmmaking. And we also have the Panasonic G85, which I'm filming on both cameras right now. I don't know how that's gonna work, but Panasonic G85 on the Joby Tripod SLR and the Video Mic Go. So that's my complete camera setup, and don't forget the little microfiber cloth, otherwise the suction cup won't stick. All the products will be linked in the description if you ever want to replicate my setup, or just check them out on Amazon. They'll be down below. I hope you like this little tour of my gear. You have a wonderful day, and if you stop by for the first time, please subscribe and hit those thumbs up.